Hey, real talk for a second. You know that moment when you hit play and your TV sound feels flat, thin, like it's missing something you should be hearing? That's exactly what the Polk Audio Signa S4 changes the first time you listen. This is for you if you're the kind of person who notices when audio doesn't feel present, who wants real depth from movies and games instead of distant background noise. You've outgrown weak speakers. You want clarity and impact that matches what you see on the screen. Before you get too deep into this, check the current price and availability. Soundbars with real Dolby Atmos and thoughtful tuning don't stay at friendly pricing forever, and hesitation usually costs you later. You probably remember the exact night you realized your TV speakers just weren't doing the job anymore. Maybe a scene kicked off with tension and all you felt was nothing. Dialogue was muddled. Music lacked body. The experience fell flat. It wasn't that the content was bad, your setup was. That's the moment you knew it was time for something better. The first time you power up a Signa S4, you feel the difference. Sound doesn't just come from the screen, it envelops your space. Atmos lifts effects above and around you instead of restricting everything to a narrow plane. VoiceAdjust brings spoken words forward so you hear every line without cranking the volume. BassAdjust and that wireless sub give low end weight you can feel instead of just hear. Suddenly action scenes land. Music feels richer. Even quiet moments become immersive. Use it for movies that should surround you. Use it for games where footsteps matter. Use it for shows with layered sound you never noticed before. This isn't louder, it's deeper. It feels like your room becomes part of the story instead of just a place you watch it. And don't fall into the trap of thinking you can wait for an even better deal. Sound systems this capable tend to tighten in stock and jump in price when they're in demand. Waiting rarely works in your favor. If you're worried it won't feel like a true upgrade, that doubt disappears fast. The clarity doesn't come from volume, it comes from how the sound is shaped and delivered. It feels refined, not forced. You don't have to fight your speakers to hear what's happening. That relief, that ease, is bigger than you expect. Here's the part most people don't talk about. Once you hear this level of sound, everything else feels thin by comparison. You don't just want louder audio. You want meaningful audio. This makes you care about the soundtrack again. You start choosing what to watch with an ear toward the experience, not just the picture. Clear, immersive audio that feels present, bass you can feel without distortion, dialogue that stands out naturally, feels like your entertainment finally matches your expectations, not the smallest footprint. Premium experience comes at a real price. At some point comparing lesser options becomes pointless. You don't circle back because you're unsure, you circle back because you're delaying something you already know you want. Check the price while it's still available, act on the instinct that brought you here, and don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay, then regret every time your TV reminds you what sound should feel like.